do done for my dude. My attitude is the baddest thing that's on me, boo. So you do you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know why.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to do a frontal sew-in, and what you need to start off first is BW2 powder and 40 volume developer. And as you can see, I mixed them together in a bowl, and I'm just mixing them now. And you want your mixture, like I said in my last video, you want it to be very thick, and you don't want it to be like really liquidy because then it'll bleed through the lace. So you want it to be thick like this, so that when you put it on the lace, it will slide like butter. So while the knots on your frontal is bleaching, you're gonna go ahead and start braiding. And when I braid for frontal sew-ins, I just like to do straight backs because I find that the easiest to do. Now you're going to clean your hairline with alcohol. Then you're going to go ahead and put your wig cap on, cut the air hole tabs out, then put freeze blast spray on your hairline. Go ahead and plug, and I know this isn't a really detailed video on how to plug, but if you guys want a video on how to plug, please let me know because I really will do one for y'all. But I try my best for this one. Yeah, so I try my best. I know this isn't really detailed, but if you guys want a detailed video, please comment down and let me know. Now I'm gonna go ahead and with my favorite lace tint from Tailored Crowns. And no, this video isn't sponsored, but she need to sponsor me. And yeah, I'm just spraying that around on the frontal, and this is gonna tint the lace to my client's shade. Then you want to go ahead and cut the wig cap off. Now you really don't have to do this step, but I like to do it. I'm just putting my frontal on, and I'm just seeing where it stops and where I need to put the glue on. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my glue, and I'm gonna spread that around and put it in little dots. Then I'm gonna go ahead and smooth the glue all around, and you wanna make sure your glue is in even thin layers. And how I like to do my glue is I like to wait till it dries completely clear, and then I go ahead and put another layer on, and I do about 4 or 5 layers. Now you're going to take your frontal and put it on the glue, and you just want to make sure that you're using a comb to brush the lace and the hair into the glue. And you want to make sure that you're being careful, and you want to do this all around until the lace is all on the glue. After you do that, you just want to go ahead with a blow dryer, and I was kind of blow drying her hair a little bit too because it was still a little wet. So you just want to go ahead and blow dry the lace and make sure that you're getting that glue into the lace so that it sticks very well. Now I'm going in with my scissors, and I cut my lace off with razors. I like to use small razors so that I can see what I'm doing and be very precise. Now I'm gonna cut the ear tabs off, and I know a lot of people have difficulty with this, but it's actually really not that hard. But you just want to part where her ear, the top of her ear is, put a pin on her hair, then cut the ear tab off. It's really not that hard. Sometimes there'll be little parts that don't stick, so I just go ahead and I put lace glue on my hand, and I put it on the end of my comb, and just go ahead and put it where the lace should stick. And I just basically do the same exact thing for the other side. So I just want to let y'all know that there is a little bit of flesh back, but don't get it twisted, it's still wet lace, period. So now I'm just going ahead and I created my middle part, and I also, you want to make sure that you get hair from your frontal and put it in the back of your frontal, if that makes sense. And you also want to make sure that you hot comb it so that'll stay down. So now I'm going ahead and I'm plucking the part. And you just want to be careful that you don't pluck too much, because you don't want to have a fat part. And then I'm going ahead and with black hairspray, I use my comb to cover the part. And now after I do that, I just go ahead and with makeup, and I love this lace palette so freaking much. But if y'all want to know, they gotta sponsor me. So I went ahead and I did her edges, but I'm not gonna show that in this video. If y'all want a separate video for that, please let me know, because I will do that for y'all. But yes, that's just one side with the edges done, the other side with the edges not done. So stop what you're doing and make sure you, 1, subscribe, and then 2, turn on your post notifications to make sure that you see my next video when I upload. And let me know in the comments if you want my next video uploaded to be on how to do edges. So now I'm going ahead and with foam, and I'm just putting that on her hair because she had deep wave hair. And let's just take a moment of silence to look at the baby hairs, okay? And that is it. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Thank you.